just arrived from Amazon. From Flybird. It's like one of the best sellers. There is adjustability with the seat and it declines as well, so I really liked it. For the price, I'm gonna set it up right here, but I'm super stoked. I'm about to do my first workout right now. About to go for a run. If anybody is curious what my workout regimen is, I try to work out like 4 to 5 days a week, and I begin each workout or end each workout with a mile run. So until we get a treadmill, I'm just gonna run around the neighborhood, which is fine with me because, again, beautiful day, beautiful weather in Florida. Plus, I want to go see our neighborhood. There's like a clubhouse community park. I think there's a running trail with some exercise things along the pathway, so we'll do that. Check it out. I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll come back and set this bench up, and we're gonna try to bang out a chest workout with the adjustable dumbbells. So I'll catch up with you guys after I run and I come back to set this adjustable bench up. All right, just got back from my mile run, and let me tell you, this place is sick. This neighborhood is super dope. It has a little lake in the neighborhood, and I just timed myself, and it was 1.2 miles from here around the lake and then back. So I think I'm gonna do that every day around lunchtime to start my workout, and then come back here and do some weightlifting exercises. But that was a really nice run. I'm out of breath right now, but now I'm going to be setting up the adjustable bench. So I'll catch up with you guys when that's all said and done. Got my helper. So yeah, it's hard to see, but the reason why I chose this adjustable bench is because it folds up like this. Doesn't take up a lot of space. And again, we're not trying to take up a lot of space, like I said in the last video. So we'll catch up with you guys when this is all set up. And again, thank you to Aston for always helping me in the garage. What's going on? We are checking back in with you guys. Just put together the bench, although I didn't really have to do anything. It came assembled already. Again, this is from Flybird, super popular on Amazon. The quality in the leather is super nice. I've already done a little workout today to test it and break it in. And the only assembly I needed to do was actually just put on this leg piece, which was a simple screw right here. But as you can see, it has like 6 angles of adjustment, and then you can adjust the seat as well. But again, this material is super comfortable, super nice. And again, adjustable dumbbells, 5 to 52, made working out that much easier. And all in all, it only takes up 6x4 feet in my whole garage. So I mean, we still got plenty of space over here. Over here, can move some things around. So yeah, when we get a treadmill and some other things for the gym, we'll have plenty of room to put that in. Also, we got my girlfriend's mirror. Look at them wheels. But yeah, this is a temporary mirror, obviously, but it did the job today. But in all honesty, I had a great workout. I had the fan right here blowing on me, and I mean, it didn't get hot, so I worked out with the garage closed actually. But it is a nice day here in Florida. And so now I'm just waiting for the other Amazon packages to arrive, and I'll keep you updated. All right, checking back in with you guys. One of the 2 Amazon packages that I'm waiting for today just arrived, and it's these LED light bars, light strips, whatever you want to call them. Shout out to Vegeta for showing me his setup with these lights. I'll drop his Instagram here, and I'll drop a picture of his setup as well. And then these are also the lights that Thick F30 runs in his garage. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run it like John, like this way, either vertical slats, or like my boy Vin, he has them ran. So when the garage is up, he has them in like a U going this way. So we'll figure it out. I'm still not sure how to hang everything, but we'll go ahead and unbox this, and I'll catch up with you guys then. Again, we're still waiting on the M flag to arrive. I think that's what I'm most excited for today. I mean, the adjustable bench, the LED lights, and the M flag. I mean, that's an exciting day for Amazon, I'll tell you that much. So I'll catch up with you guys when I take these lights out. All right, so this is what comes in the kit. We have connectors, that connect right here to each light. They have ones that don't show any wires, and then they have these that have a switch for each of them, and then they have these long extensions right here, so you can have one switch plugged in and then have all of them connected by wires, or you can have them side by side, so all three of them in one line, which looks super clean. I just don't know, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but you'd be surprised with how bright these 6 LEDs can make this garage, especially when the doors are shut. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I will figure it out. Like I just said, I'm gonna plug them in to make sure they all work, and then I will update you guys a little later, hopefully when the M flag arrives, and then I have a better game plan on what I'm gonna do with these lights. I think they're gonna look sick no matter what I do, but I ordered 6 just to start and just to get a feel for how bright they actually are. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I put 3 on this wall parallel, 3 on this wall vertical, or should I do the same thing on this side, or should I do what Vin has in this picture and have maybe like a U shape that illuminates this, so it'll be like 1 2 1 2 and then 1 2. It's hard to tell, but that's what it would look like, and I think that would brighten up everything for sure. But I also think like having them like stripped down on the sides would look really clean as well. So let me know in the comments what you think. I don't plan on putting these up anytime soon because I want to get some feedback, and I want to obviously see which positioning looks best. So again, I'll catch up with you guys when we get the M flag later and we're hanging that up. What's up guys, it's a new day, and look what just arrived in the mail. Got the M flag, you already know. I'm actually thinking about putting it right behind me over my desk. Another place I was thinking about putting it is in front of my car, either when I reverse or pulling forward how it is now. I think it would look really good. But let me unravel this for you guys. I'm stoked. I am stoked. This is gonna look so sick. Sheesh, look at this. M banner. M boys, you already know. M boys. Looks so sick. Alright, so yeah, definitely gonna hang this, I think, above my desk for now. I'm also going back to my old apartment today to grab some stuff from my garage. I have like a Dolphins banner, and I have my old license plates that I'm probably gonna hang up on the wall, but nothing else. Trying to keep the walls pretty clean and simple. And I'll also show you guys like the LED light setup that I think I'm going to go with, so give me a second. You can check this out. Looks so sick. So yeah, I'm thinking about hanging it up right here over my desk. I think that's gonna look badass. And I also have in my older garage, I have a Dolphins flag. I think I'm gonna put right there. My girlfriend got a picture of a bowl of pho. And if anybody knows me, you already know how much I love food and my pho. So I'm thinking about a place to put that. And then also my LED bars that I got off of Amazon, again, are lined up right here, and they illuminate the home office and home gym very well. I tested out having the 3 over here vertical, and I think I like that look better than having them down here, you know, parallel or landscape if you call it. So I think I'm gonna go with the vertical look. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm not gonna put anything up yet, but let me know if you think this M flag would look better over my desk or right here in front of the car. Leave me a comment what you think. Should we do vertical lights or should we do horizontal landscape style? And then should we put the M flag in front of the car over on this wall? Should we put it over my desk? But yeah, basically the home improvements are moving along very quickly. I mean, again, that's how we roll. We mod fast, house and car. We still got a bunch of more projects, like we need a washer and dryer over here. Need AC in this garage eventually. Oh, and we also need a dish garbage disposal. So those things are on the list right now, but I think for the first week though, I'm pretty impressed with myself. I think I spent a lot of money, but it's definitely worth it. After seeing the space right now, I'm super happy with it, how it turned out. And stay tuned for more. I'm gonna hang this up a little later, so I'll catch up with you guys then. I want to let you guys know that if you need these LED lights, They're super bright. I think I'm actually gonna order more for the roof or the ceiling for now. And if you guys are also interested in these adjustable dumbbells, these horse stall mats, this bench from Flybird, and what else? And the M flag, if you're interested in any of those items, I'm gonna leave a link for them in the description below on Amazon, so definitely cop those if you're looking to do your own home gym setup, home office little setup, or you know, get the M flag. Highly recommend. And I also wanted to give you guys an update on what we're getting done today to the actual house. We walk around. We're actually getting a side fence installed, so we'll have a gate for the dogs to run around in the back. So stay tuned for that. They're working on it right now. I think the garage setup is obviously coming together very quickly, and for those of you guys who know and are now watching, you guys can see that when it comes to building my cars, my F30, my F80, to building out my garage or my house, we work fast and we work fast. There's no other way to put it. I always work fast. I always do everything pretty much all out. I do it really quickly too. So again, all this stuff adds up money wise, but I had to get it done. I wanted the essentials in the house to build upon, especially the gym setup. Now the garage is finally coming together with the lights, the flag, and we also have some more home improvements that I'll show you in 1 second. All right, boys, what's going on? Checking in with you from another day. It's actually Sunday. I was supposed to hang the M flag, like I told you in the last clip, and also move these lights around, but I mean, with all this house stuff, I really didn't have time to do that. So I'll give you guys a quick update on what has changed. We actually got a lot of our house mods done for the week. A lot of the big ones got crossed off the list. So let me start with number one. Got a white vinyl PVC fence installed with a gate. That ran us about $500. And that is more so because the house didn't come with one, and we really needed a side gate for the dogs to let them out back and to not worry about them running away or running outside or seeing something and running away, you know what I mean? So definitely had to get the side gate. That was a big one. We had the backyard for the dogs, and that was our goal and that was our dream. And now we have the fence, and for the past 2 days we've been letting them out, and it's the best thing ever. It's a dream come true. And here's the M3 pulled out just temporarily. Look at the lighting, look at the LED lighting, it's crazy. I mean, the GoPro doesn't even do it justice, but this is crazy. It's a little messy right now. I had to move all this paint, extra paint and laundry stuff away because obviously, as you can see here, we just got a washer and dryer. Sorry if it's noisy right now. We just got it installed. We got the washer and dryer offer up, and a guy just came, installed everything for us and delivered it, so shout out to him. We got a super nice stackable washer dryer setup tucked away in this corner so the door won't hit. They're both from Fridge Air, and I just have to get the aluminum pipe from the dryer from Home Depot, but everything is working. He showed us, so super happy with the way it turned out. Another thing we picked up, if you guys haven't seen already, boom, got a treadmill from Gold's Gym. Picked this up off of OfferUp as well. If you guys are wondering how much we paid for everything, washer and dryer, we got for $400 for a set, and then we paid another $50 for delivery for this Gold's Gym treadmill. I think he had it listed for like $350. Wasn't using it, so I talked him down to like $280 or something, and we rented a U-Haul this weekend and picked this up. As you guys can see, I don't have a horse stall mat for this side yet, but I'm going to. We actually went to Tractor Supply yesterday to get another horse stall mat, a 4x6, but they're out of stock. So tomorrow, Monday, I'm gonna call and see if they have any more, and then pick one up for this side again to protect the floors. I still have yet to hang up this M flag, which I will. And again, I think it's gonna go right here over my desk. And I have the LED lights moved temporarily on this side. Sit on this side and work, so it's pretty nice to have this side of the room lit up. And then my car is already blocking this side anyway. But eventually I'm gonna have the 3 slits, I think, vertical, like I just mentioned. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below if you guys think I should keep it flat on this side, maybe raise it up a little bit, or if I should have them vertical, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, let me know. But yeah, the house mods are definitely coming together. I'm super stoked with how the garage has come out. the fence, and now the washer and dryer. We got a lot of the big ticket items crossed off the list, and we saved a ton of money by buying them used and off OfferUp. So hope you guys enjoy this house vlog number 2. I'm gonna wrap it up. Stay tuned for next week's video. We got some actual car content coming back to the channel. Again, the M3 misses being on camera, but we'll get that squared away. I'll give you guys a quick little update with some car aesthetic mods coming in. We have an oil change that we're due for, and drum roll please, last but not least, we finally ordered the Active Auto Work equal length mid pipe and new rear tires, Michelin 4S's. So we're back. Car content is back. Car mods and aesthetics are on the way, so stay tuned for this. You don't want to miss out. I'm gonna keep recording. I have a list of some videos that I want to put together, but yeah, let me know how you guys think about this house content. Let me know if you want a mix of the two or updates on the house. So let me know how you like this. So the M3 is pulled back in here looking super glossy, but actually the lighting in here, the LEDs and the GoPro make it look super glossy and shiny, but it's actually filthy. Definitely needs a wash. So we actually went to our old apartment today and cleaned everything out, car related, and cleaned inside as well. And look at my trunk right now, filled with car parts from my garage. Let me shine the flashlight for you so you can see. I mean, filled with car parts. But we'll get to that this week. We'll clean it up a little bit. My car looks super shiny and glossy right now from these LED lights, but it's actually filthy. It's pollen season and it rained on my car yesterday, so I definitely need to give it a wash. But I have all my stuff now from my garage, so I have my car wash stuff. I have a couple of the banners that I might hang on the walls. So again, let me know what you guys think. The M flag is gonna go here. Let me know if you think it should go here. And then these LED lights might be moved around this week. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think I should do. We got car mods on the way, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys for watching part 2 of our house vlog. Let me know if you guys like this content, if you want more M3 content. Obviously, this is a car channel, or you want a mix of a little bit of both. Again, my garage is messy right now, but look at this setup, guys. It's a dream come true. And for the record, house mods cost just as much or more as the F8 mods. So for everyone looking to buy soon, be prepared. But the house mods are definitely worth it. It's an investment and we have equity now. So again, I'm just rambling on, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.